This time, I have to get a bigger needle. This is going to go straight inside of it.
Okay, you got it, Gina.
Okay? Okay, so take a big breath. Exhale.
Same.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Oh my God. Holy shit. Aaron or someone?
Hold on, I'm a
So
medic.
just-
Get out of the way.
Can you get her?
Oh.
Get her.
Hey, how you doing, man? Come here. Hold on. What's your name?
I got it. It's through
Hey.
catch.
Hey, what's your name? Yeah, how old are you?
So you're okay. Yeah. Okay.
Look at me.
It's done.
Wrong person passed out.
Get me right here. You okay?
She's good.
Okay. All right, hold on. Hold on, just stay right there.
Just breathe and relax. Sit. You faked it. You're okay. Just sit.
Yeah, you're fine. Yeah, just hold on a second.
You banged your head. You banged your head.
I've never fainted. That's so weird. I'm in awe right now. Wait,
Somebody-
No, you're fine. You're not even.
No, I'm fine.
All right, up.
Hang on.
Did you get to
My
my
arm.
video? Did you see that?
No, you see it? Wait, can I just get one?
I'm still videoing this.
Dude, that was so weird.
Stay right there.
Yeah, she whacked her head. Olivia, you whacked